I want to show you all the storage that's available in this tiny camper. So I picked up these containers from Dollar Tree, and they fit in here perfectly. There's a little lip right here, so it doesn't fall out. So even when we're towing it, these stay in place. And we keep this empty because when we camp, this is where we put all of our food. Everything, like all the bags of chips or whatever, graham crackers, s'mores stuff, all fits in here. So I'm just gonna pull these out so you can get an idea of all the space there is. So behind there, I keep like that's my emergency kit of toilet paper and wipes, just in case we're at a campground and they don't have it. And then I got some trash bags that I keep back there, and even more stuff can fit back there than there is. But like I said, we like to keep this pretty empty so we can reserve this for our food storage. And there you go. So right here, this is our lovely Ikea system, and I love that all this just pops off, and you can really customize it to what you're doing, if you need more space or if you don't. And this stuff is pretty sturdy because we tow with all of this like this, and it never falls or moves. But if we did want to store it, this down here would be the place for it. We added this command hook over here where we keep like all of our cleaning supplies and extra towels and sponges, and then we can put like extra Ikea storage items here, and they're stackable too. So if we wanted to stack them to make more space, we got extra cookware and scissors and another Dollar Tree bin. And yeah, there's so much down here, and there's more space. You could even maybe add a top shelf there if you wanted to maximize it even more, but this is good for us for now. And I would say having extra cutting boards are great because there's no prep area. So having a cutting board, and make sure you bring your trivet so if you are cooking it doesn't burn your cutting board, gives you like a little bit of space. But if you didn't want to do that, if you needed to access the sink, you can always add like a folding table so that this can become your prep space. And then up here we're able to keep, you know, cutlery, bowls, a hot water heater, which is great if you want to make like some oatmeal or noodles, tea. It's electric. And then we have all of our cookware. And I would say all of this is included in the rental. You get it how we use it and how we see it and what we feel like makes camping easy. It's nice having everything here ready for you to use it. And then we have our towel because you want to keep your hands clean. So that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, leave a comment or any suggestions, or show me how you organize your trailer on my Instagram. Tag me in it. #GoCampTiny. Happy trails.